to the Kid Next Door. So for the coming Independence Day, we have another drawing tutorial, and along with me will be Yuvika, who is 8 years, to draw this for you. We'll be drawing this wonderful silhouette of Indian monuments, which are famous monuments in India, over the Indian flag. So what you all need is, you need one India flag drawn on a piece of paper. So whatever drawing sheet you are using, you can simply draw and color the Indian flag. I'm sure you all know how to do that. And then you can take a black marker, or you can start with pencil to draw the silhouette of famous Indian monuments. The first monument that we are drawing is India Gate, which is located in Delhi. So in a square, you draw the gate shape, and then you draw a trapezium on the top, and you keep building it up. So we will not be working on the inside details of these monuments, as it's a silhouette drawing. We will be coloring it black anyways. We'll basically focus on the outlines. So over the trapezium, you have to draw 2 more rectangles, and then the top part. Alright, next to India Gate, we will be drawing Qutub Minar, another famous monument located in Delhi. So Qutub Minar is a long tower, as you all know, and thus you will be drawing this long tower. It's okay if you want to keep it within the white part, or if it extends till the saffron part, it's absolutely fine. You draw the tower, and then you draw the central rings, the floors in the tower, like this. All right. Up next, we'll be drawing the most famous monument of India, which is also one of the wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. We'll be placing Taj Mahal in the center of the flag. So in the center, in the middle part of the blue chakra, you can draw this standing rectangle and the gumbad on the top to show the Taj Mahal. Then you will draw 2 boxes on the sides, and again the top gumbas for them as well. So as you know that we are just focusing on the outline of the monument, so that by looking at the silhouette drawing, you can at least identify the monument. So next we'll draw the 2 pillars, and again the top part. In this way our Taj Mahal is done. The last monument will be Red Fort, which is also located in Delhi. So for this you will draw a long sleeping rectangle and a smaller rectangle on top of it. Then we will do the intricate design in the Red Fort. So for that you have to focus very well, as this is a little bit of work. Alright, so in this way all our monuments are almost done. We are just left with a little bit of Red Fort on the top, and that's it. Okay, now after you are done with your drawing, you can color them all black. Now I already have the black outline, so I'll straight away start with filling in the color, but Yuvika still needs to trace her pencil outlines with the black marker, so she's doing that. You can take any thick black marker, or you can take a black crayon or paint, pencil color, whatever you're comfortable with, and then you can fill in all the outlines to make a complete silhouette look. This kind of silhouette drawings are very trendy, and they look really good. They are very simple to do, as you don't have to do much details into it, and they give a fabulous impact. Alright, so once you are done, this is how your scene would look like, and this will be an ideal drawing to do to celebrate the glory of India in the name of Indian monuments over Indian flag on the eve of Independence Day. You can do this on Republic Day as well. So this is India themed drawing for you. Hope you all liked it. Please leave a comment for us to know what next you want, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye. Jai Hind.